Okay, here we are. I promised you that at some stage I'd get to this navigation menu up here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff in this navigation menu I can show you. All right, here we go. We're going to start out with the panning functionality, which I have shown you before, but I'll show you again. It's basically you click on this hand with your left mouse button and you can move the map wherever you want on the screen. Okay, very simple thing. It'll redraw. This button here will pan to a selection. Now, a selection is a graphical object or a geographical object that you have selected using selection tools, which I haven't shown you yet. So this yellow parcel property here is one that I've selected earlier. And what will happen is when I click this button here, this yellow parcel will become the center of the map in the map window here. Okay, so I'll click it. Now, here's something. This needs to be highlighted. The layer that you're performing the action on actually needs to be highlighted. So if I do that, it will move. Good one. Okay, so we can zoom in using the zoom in button. We can click the left mouse button and drag to create a square or a rectangle or whatever, and it will zoom in. Okay, we can zoom out. We can zoom full, which will take us to the full map extent. We can, if I highlight one of these layers here, okay, we can zoom to layer. Let's see that this works. Yes, it has. I haven't really used this option here, to be honest. I'm not entirely sure what it is. I assume by zooming to native pixel resolution, it just means the best display resolution for your screen. And if I click on that, it should zoom in and we can see a lovely view of the ocean. And now we can see the beach. And my goodness, there's that looks like lifeguard stands on the beach by the looks of it. Okay, we can zoom to our previous zoom. Okay, we can zoom to the zoom we were just at, the next zoom. Yes, so it's all pretty self-explanatory. The main thing is that just make sure if you're performing the zoom to a layer, a particular layer, that you use your left mouse button to click on that layer and highlight it. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye.